Let's go on the birthday celebrant herself. Yeah, that's awesome.
Salamat Panginoon sa bawat isa na narito ngayon sa kaarawan ko ng aming apo na si Alayna Tia.
Night is moving quickly, close my eyes so I can see you. See you in my dream, a happy dream where you come and dance with me forever and sweep me off my feet.
I hope that you will fulfill everything that your heart desires.
Hello and everything. If colors shine from head to toe, you're everything that's beautiful. Some playful conversation sparks my imagination. Now we're swimming through the endless possibilities. Our hearts are intertwined, igniting like fireflies. I always knew this light would lead me back to you.
Happy birthday, Zia. Ang wish ko sa'yo, anak, na sana lumaki kang mabait, laging sumunod ka lang mami, sa kay daddy, pati kay lolo at lola. And sana matupad mo lahat ng wish mo sa paglaki mo, makapagtapos ka ng pag-aaral. Ayun lang, tapos lagi kong pinagpe-pray na maging malusog and laging happy lang. Ayun. Happy birthday, anak. I love you so much.
Ayun, nak, wini-wish ko na kapag tapos ka ng pag-aaral mo, nandito lang kami ni mami mo. Tutulungan ka namin na abutin lahat ng pangarap mo. Hinihiling ko rin na lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos. Mabait ka sa kapwa mo palagi. At mahalin mo lahat ng pamilya mo, lahat ng parte ng pamilya. Mahal ka namin dalawa ng mami mo. Happy birthday.
Your colors shine from head to toe. You're everything that's beautiful.
Happy birthday, Zia. We love you.